Hello, this is Seth with Skybird Roofing. We're here today to do a repairability test at 1743 Main Divide in Wake Forest, North Carolina. I want to first show you the shingle we'll be doing. As you can see the creasing there. I want to show you the top two rows having no creasing. What we're going to do today is, as we do the repair, if we do see creasing occur, we know that the roof cannot be repaired without causing continual damage. I'm gonna go ahead and get you set up on a tripod here. All right, that looks lovely. First things first, we will be using our roof snake, and we will be making sure that we do not exceed 45-degree angle, which is here. Let's see here, 45-degree angle. All right. Well, we'll go ahead and get started. Once again, 45-degree angle. Does it. Alright. Perfect. All good, all set. All right. And as you can see, we have creasing along the top of our shingles. With one good rain, that will wash off and be far more prevalent, showing that this roof cannot be repaired without causing continual damage. In that case, this roof would be deemed unrepairable. Thank you. Have a blessed day.